All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the Milwaukee Extended Reach 1-key half-inch impact. All right, so some guys are going to go, why? Well, the answer is these guys, flip sockets. That's what this is for. This is a tire gun. So, you know, you go to do a tire. Sorry, it's a new hog ring, so it's a little tight. You go to do tires, you got the wrong side on, you flip it over. What these are for. But the nice thing for tire techs is if you look up here, it's got a nice little display about what it does. Setting 1 is 40 to 75 foot-pounds. Setting number 2 is 75 to 100 foot-pounds. 3 is heavy duty and 4 is full power. Now I've demoed the standard reach, the standard shank, half-inch drive, and then tested it with a torque wrench. Same gun, just with an extended reach. But comes in handy for when you're using flip sockets. When I was a young kid getting into the business, I had an IR 231 2-inch extended anvil. Why? Because I used flip sockets. Getting into this business, you tend to do a lot of tire off work. So having the flip socket and not having to worry about the extension coming off, that kind of stuff, comes in handy. But I know what you're thinking. What do I care? Well, I'm giving this away. If you notice, it's got a used battery on it. That's because I'm not going to use your batteries. I use this for a demo, that's it. This is going to one of my viewers. I'm not really going to test it so much because, well, I've got the same gun except without the extended anvil. So the contest rules are, you need to be a subscriber, comment in this video, and be in the US. I'm sorry, going to be really expensive to ship lithium-ion batteries across the pond or anything like that, so I do have to limit it to the US market. 2 weeks from now, and it'll be in the description when the contest ends, I will do a drawing and I will ship it out. So, new Milwaukee tool, it comes with 2 batteries and a charger, so you're ready to rock and roll doing tires. And I will link the video for my review of the original 1-key, just so you can see how it works, because I'm not going to redo it again, because most people are going to be here for the contest, not so much for the tool review, because, well, they want a free tool. So, but it is identical to the 1-key I've already reviewed, other than the extended anvil. That's why I got it, so I could give it to one of you guys. Or gals. Little side note, it works for those half-size sockets too. If you're in the US, comment below. In 2 weeks, you might win it. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.